You are 9. You are a baby. Oh my God. You should play, not to watch like this for watching for this for adult. You should play or study. Real or Palestine. God. You should not watch this one. This for adult. You should go to school. Or you should play. Watch your for baby channel. Why your parents allowing you to watch these things?